What's up, everyone? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. This video is going to be about Samsung Max VPN application, how to save more data, how to extend your data to the rest of the month. If you're on a low data plan, basically low cell phone data plan. This for people with Samsung Galaxy devices, all Galaxy devices. I don't care if you got a flagship device and maybe you don't have, the unlimited data plan or whatever. But so the application is right here in the middle. Well, sort of the middle. It's Samsung Max. This is the application you want to focus on. I'll leave a link in the description box and all the other videos I talked about. Now, I am an advocate to this application. I have plenty of videos on my YouTube channel about this app. So this is not a new app. It's been out for years. It's just been revamped. It was called Opera Max at one point, but then Samsung acquired it and made it Samsung Max VPN. So we're going to show you how to get the application. You want to go to your Google Play Store. All right. You want to go to your Google Play Store, and then you want to tap on Samsung. You want to search Samsung, and then you want to tap Max. You want to put Samsung Max. And it should be that very first one that pops up in your Galaxy, Google Play Store on your Galaxy. All right. So Samsung Max, data savings and privacy protection. Samsung Max apps, blah, 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 blah. Latest update, January 5th, 2021. Country selector and new Deluxe Plus subscription. New wallpapers and display options for premium. All right, so that's the new updates and things like that. You want to hit the install button, but since I already got it on my phone, I want to hit open. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. We at the main screen. Okay, so I have Wi-Fi data savings turned on because I am on Wi-Fi. But I'll show you what it looked like with the data, your LTE, 5G, or whatever. All right, so you got privacy protection turned on. Facebook Ultra, they do have Ultra apps. They have apps built into the application itself where it helps you save data and enhance your privacy in your favorite web apps such as Facebook, Instagram, and I'm gonna just say Wikipedia. I don't know too much about them other two applications, but mainly those three. I'm pretty sure everybody is familiar with around the world: Wikipedia, Facebook, and Instagram. So we're gonna focus on those three and see what they're about. All right, but you can scroll down on the main homepage. You got Ultra games. I tried a couple of these games. I'm not a fan of them, but for those that have low memory, low storage on their devices, if you get this app, you don't have to worry about downloading these games because they come built into the application of Samsung Max VPN. Keep that in mind. All right. All right. So you can scan a Wi-Fi network, scan the connected Wi-Fi network to get more information and view connected devices. That's awesome. That is amazing. So you can see everything on the freaking network. Wow. All right. So here we go. Quick settings. All right. So you got your data savings. You got your Wi-Fi, and then you got your privacy protection. Okay, you are camouflaged because I got the VPN turned on at the top. Your IP address is now harder to track. So I'm harder to track, get traced on what I'm doing. And the privacy reports, they'll let you know what's going on with your device. All right, and that's my Wi-Fi info. And data savings report, data saving on. Saved 121 megabytes in 20 apps. Wow, that's pretty dope. Best savings today. I saved over 50 megabytes in YouTube. That's just to let you know that it does save data. Okay, monthly savings, 207 megabytes in 22 apps. Now you can also go to top savings. So let's go to top savings. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. So, oh wow, okay, that's something new. I didn't think Haystack would save you data, but it is. Okay, I'm trying to tell y'all to download Haystack News TV app. Okay. I'll do that. I'll put that link in the description box. So YouTube, I got over 118. YouTube Music over 50. Haystack over 20 megabytes because I didn't even use it that much. iHeartRadio will save you some data. The Wikipedia Ultra app will save you some data. It just depends. Wow. The Galaxy App Store, Opera News, Amazon Prime will save you some data. Okay, Tubi TV. Wow. Hey, they even got Pandora on here. Okay, so all right, for me, those would save me some data. All right, I'm just letting y'all know. I'm trying to have fun and also be informative. All right, so okay, here we go. So down here at the bottom, you got your mobile tabs. So I used this on mobile. Right now I'm on Wi-Fi, but I'll turn it off. I used it on mobile, and that's what I say. So matter of fact, let me go ahead and just go back home and turn off the Wi-Fi. Yeah, let me just turn off the Wi-Fi because I'm not even using data. Like I said, I'm not even using data. My AT&T prepaid plan is actually the 5 gigabyte data plan. I'm just throw that out there. So let's go back to the mobile. Okay, for right now, 10 megabytes of data savings. This month, 48 megabytes so far, and 48 all the time, because I really just started back playing with it, and it's just showing you all the data usage. It's mainly YouTube apps. But here we go. Let me go home. Okay, so you want to go to your menu burger, and then you want to go here at the top where it says settings. You want to turn that. You want to go to, let's check this out. Okay, so you want to leave everything up here high. Everything high savings. Everything high. All of it high, all right? That's how you get the maximum. And down here to help tab, you want to tap on apps with high savings. Now, these are the top apps in my device. Background drops, where you get a lot of wallpapers and stuff. I can say 61% of data. Galaxy themes, I can say 57. The Netflix app says I can say 53. YouTube Music says I can say 46. And YouTube says I can say 42. Okay, but see, with the AT&T prepaid, you can use HBO Max data free. All right, so if you want to watch HBO stuff, you get the HBO Max service and get data free. Now, if you want to use your Netflix, of course, you got to pay for that to get pure Netflix stuff. And I'm actually using Netflix. I'm testing it out with the Samsung Max VPN. As you can see, it's turned on. All right, so I can watch all this stuff. I can save a lot of data with all these movies and TV series and Netflix series. I can save a lot of data if I'm not around, like, open Wi-Fi or free Wi-Fi or something like that. And majority of places I gotta have Wi-Fi, so I'm really not using data at all if I'm turned on the Wi-Fi. But let's just say you don't have Wi-Fi, or you don't want to trust the Wi-Fi. You get the Samsung Max VPN, and then use it on Netflix. If you got AT&T prepaid, I definitely recommend just getting HBO Max. That way you can get all your HBO series, your movies, your TV shows, all that data free. It ain't even touching your data. I got videos talking about that previous. And then not only that, if you don't have YouTube Premium or anything like that, and you don't want to go through the hassle of going through these third-party apps to try to download YouTube videos offline for free, then turn on the Samsung Max VPN, and you can browse through YouTube without killing your data for real. You can browse through YouTube without hurting your data. So that's the whole point of this application. And this is only for people that are on budget phone plans, not people with pure unlimited data, as they would say. Yeah, y'all show screenshots where y'all using up 100 gigs on your unlimited data. I get it, whatever. I never reached over 30 gigs, even off Wi-Fi. That's just me. All right. So and we're doing a pandemic now. Come on. I'm just saying. But anyway, so that's how that works. But to get more out of your data and to like cut down on costs, and to save data, especially you don't have data rollover. Like it's a lot of I think Mint Mobile or Visible don't have data rollover. Somebody like that don't have data rollover. Samsung Max will be a great option and alternative for you to save data. It doesn't work on Samsung TV Plus. It did save me a little data on Tubi TV, and like I said, it saved me data on Netflix, and it saved me data on YouTube and YouTube Music, watching videos, music videos. You can even watch YouTube movies. You know, they even have movies on YouTube. So give or take. But yeah, I mean, you'll be saving a ton of money. And to be honest, it will feel like you got unlimited data once you activate this application and set it all up and download it right from the Google Play Store if you got a Samsung Galaxy device. All right, now there is an APK for it, but I don't know if it's effective with other like phones like Motorola's and stuff like that. We'll have to like give that a test run. Maybe people on Google Fi. This might be an awesome application for people on Google Fi, but I think that's a data saving app for Google Fi services. Y'all leave that link in. Y'all leave y'all thoughts in the comment section below. But that's what my video is about. It's about using Samsung Max VPN and saving a lot of data to make it stretch for a whole 30 days. If you don't have data rollover, now if you have data rollover, it's still a cool option for the simple fact that the data that you didn't use up on your device using Samsung VPN, it rolls over to the next month. So maybe you don't have to use the app next month, and you got 10 gigs of free 10 gigs. And that to some, that's more than enough. I mean, I say the basic user will probably use no more than like 6 gigabytes. All right. So you would definitely need that if you go over 6 gigs in a month. But I say anybody that's using like 6 to 8, you should be straight. But if you using less than that or using more than that, then I say get the application. Or you feel like, hey, I'm using up too much data this month. Let me slim it down and turn on Samsung Max so I can stream some on Netflix and stream some on YouTube and stuff like that. But yeah, I'll leave all the apps that work perfectly fine with this in the description box. All right, it's your boy, Two Phones. I'm out.